Well, day number 3. Let's see if we can get this chain going. But that's still about 8 degrees. Wind makes it feeling like what, +3. So yeah, it's quite windy. I think maybe we'll set my stuff up. Don't want to lose it in the water. So.
Wake up with fire in my breath, truth in my bones, I don't second guess. Divine assignment, every step I take. I'm built to move, I'm here to shake the gates. No fear in my blood, just power and peace. Alignment unlocked, I live from release. No more noise, I walk in stillness. My words bring order, my soul brings witness. No striving, no chains, I lead from grace. Vision wide, heart strong, this is where I belong. I am certainty, I don't fold, I don't flinch. I am clarity, like cut through every inch. I am creator, made to build and breathe. A risen warrior, I was born to lead. I speak with boldness, I move with fire. I rise each morning, built to inspire. I don't wait, I design and declare. Heaven in motion, kingdom everywhere. I'm not here for scraps and noise. I'm here to raise up men with voice. I build the legacy I choose. Every day I break through limits and rules. I'm aligned, appointed and set. This is the mission I will never forget. No pressure, just pace. I move in faith. No guessing, I know. Let the floodgates flow. I am certainty, I don't fold, I don't flinch. I am clarity, light cuts through every inch. I am creator, made to build and breathe. The risen warrior, I was born to lead. I speak with boldness, I move with fire. I rise each morning, built to inspire. I don't chase, I create. I don't hustle, I align. I don't wait, I build. I don't fear,